HiRevz Media is sponsored by Born to Ride Motorcycle Magazine. Check out borntoride.com. Loaded up again. This time we're heading to Bald Mountain again with the new camper. Should be pretty good. It's become our favorite place. Alright guys, we are back at Bald Mountain Campground. It is Labor Day weekend and beautiful up here, and it is packed. This is it's completely full actually. But we made it up here and went across the mountain and did about 30 going across the mountains. It was kind of slow, but it pulled it great. I mean, it went on up through there. And we're at spot 48 this time. And it's a pretty wide spot, not a very long spot. So, but plenty of space here. Got a cool rock at 48. And then the creek here. And a nice little area on down. My parents are down there. They've got an even bigger area and a place that goes down to the creek, so that's kind of cool. So we've been hanging out over there some too. But camper did good, rolled up here good, no issues with that, and it's not a bad spot.
Yeah, we didn't go out there, but we went all over the place. So we were on the Southern Rock Cruise with them. Oh, wow. Yeah.
You need a haircut, dude. I know. I let Daniel get so long and it would curl on the end.